Make a table in Figma Web. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully, because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, access the Windows Start menu on your desktop, and use the search bar to look for Google Chrome. Open the Google Chrome application and wait for the browser to load completely. Next, click the address bar, type Figma, and press Enter on your keyboard. From the search results, select the official Figma website and make sure you're already logged into your Figma account. After signing in successfully, the Figma homepage will open in your browser, giving you access to your projects and design tools. To make a table in Figma Web, create a new project by clicking the plus design button from the dashboard. Once the project opens, the editing page will appear and display the design canvas along with the available toolbars. Move your cursor to the toolbar located at the bottom of the interface and click the Actions menu. This menu provides access to additional tools, plugins, and widgets that can extend Figma's functionality. From the Actions menu, select Plugins and Widgets to open the plugin browser. In the search field that appears, type Table Creator and wait for the matching plugin to appear in the results list. Select the Table Creator plugin, click Run, and then choose the Create Table option when the plugin interface opens. The plugin will display several options for generating a table automatically. Click New Template to start configuring a custom table. You will then be prompted to enter the number of rows and cells you want your table to contain. Input the required values based on your design needs and review them before proceeding. After entering the desired settings, click the Create Table button. The plugin will instantly generate a structured table on your canvas, saving you the time of building one manually. Once the table appears, close the Table Creator menu to return to the main workspace. Select and delete this instruction layer if it is no longer needed. Your table is now ready to use.